beg you.
You don't me I beg you, find somebody.
Which one am I for come, Mr. Albert?
Up your yard full. Yup, man.
The business you can do on me.
Yup, man.
So no business that we want to eat.
What you full?
Now ask if we no business we want to eat.
Look at me, madman, I don't care about people like that, brother.
You don't care about people?
No. It's set.
You don't care about we?
May I tell you, you have a feeling, you know.
What? What do?
You just take it soft.
What do you? We don't do nothing, Mr. Albert.
So I write last week, so I talk to you. And so I write this week again, so I talk to you. They say that I fuck you up, I know I go win. But I just do the right thing first. And then if you know, say, you come out with all of this. Because you're not stopping, you know. Until we pull the plug for you. So I just do the soft part first. And then if you see me come out the next time, I think every day I have to talk to you.
You know, lick me.
Me? You think I'm afraid? Afraid, man. You think I come preach every day? You must comply. Say, bending that one and stop falling and all that fuck with that man. One, you know what I tell you? Let me show somebody do the right thing first. And I will take time to turn it up a notch. To use the required force to necessary, isn't it? Never afraid, man. You know exactly. All me I tell you, in your best interest to find something. Apply your trade. You can't be here, so go and rent a shop. But sell your wares. 1,000 people would have life become seller shop. And them can't do it. The law of land. Just say it. And the Bible tell you about that. You must obey the law of land. No 2 years around it. All when me dead and gone, the law of land prevail. You would feel live at what expense. You don't feel like everybody else want to get rich.
You don't stop nobody from it.
But you talk about everybody else to live. You don't feel like everybody else want to load up 2 boats and Senegal find a rich and me short.
Different thing, yeah.
Different thing?
Different thing, yeah.
Different thing?
So what you mean?
No money, father. No work at work.
That never come in.
No work at work.
All the way and sentence me.
I don't work at work. I don't work at work. Where you work for? No money. Where you out of house and night time for us?
Family.
Oh,
family.
so when a man buy 2,000 pounds a weed and push out here and then family want to feed?
Sorry, you're school. Nobody go so far.
The same way we go. Alright, that's how you start, man. You need to get a space that you come down to. Lord, that must be restored in that place. You can't do that. You can't come and block off one whole place and walk to supermarket. Where are
the small thing I have for you.
How about that shit?
I try the better half of my life, father.
Find someone from now.
Not big, sorry.
Say. Won't be until you next time you come and set up time.
I must want to get a fucking pussy feelings in my mouth.
Alright, put in your
officer, put in your pocket.
Officer, it's my right to video. What you mean if you not video? It's my constitutional right to video. Why you Officer, it's my constitutional right to video. If me lawyer tell me that. Me no video uno. Me video one in conduct. No, the police say it's my right to video. It's my right to video. It's my right to video, me general. What you mean I'm a right to video? Me general.
Put your phone in your
pocket. So we can do box me done.
Search. No, me
you tell me to put on my phone, do this and do that here search. Me general, you not me not like how you operate. Look how you jape me up. Just look how you jape me up, me general. Just look how you go on, me just a video. Let's have enough video, you know. Just look how you go on here, some video. What you mean no video, yo? Look how you jape me up, some video, yo. Just come like that line, yo. Look how you mean let him go because me the video, yo. Look how you go on me a video, yo. Just look how me they go on. Just look up police and deal with me, yo. Me not do nothing bad, man. Me drive go my business, yo. Me have my seat belt, me not use on phone. Nothing at all, yo. Then I have no, yo, I guess come and every me violate my constitutional right, yo. It's my right to video. What do you mean I'm right for video? Me not have no video for you, me video one day. When you going in my car, when you going in the car, I want to see what they happen. Police come with gun warrant, search warrant, tell me I have gun in my yard. Me do everything. You just search me. You just search the car, me video what you do. It's my safety. It's how me feel safe. Me not pass the speed limit, me have my seatbelt, me not use my phone. Nothing to pull me over. When you pull me over, it's my right to video. Tell me if you don't video, me put on my phone there. So the G me off. Yo, bad man. Never something come like a joke thing. Me they talk to the police already. Me talk to the gent come and talk to me if you don't put no camera upon him. And me go on so good. Me general, what me they do you? Me say nothing bad to you. Me say no. Me ask you one question. Me put my video upon you. Me ask you something. Me disrespect you for me come out of the car.